everyone, back to the Sportsway Dream 11 analysis. Today we're going to be discussing the third game of the second leg of the IPL. I think we've got a pretty good start. We all saw how interesting the game was between CSK and Mumbai, and tonight we're going to be discussing Rajasthan Royals versus the Kings 11 Punjab. Both of these teams did not have the right kind of campaign last year around, so this time they'll be really looking to make it to the playoffs. However, we all know that they're never the bookies' favorites, but at the same time, the game of cricket is really funny, so you can never count them out. So, starting off, we'll be taking in the wicket keeper for this game, and I think that's going to be Sanju Samson. Sanju Samson, as we all know, he's a very good wicket keeper, and especially during the IPL, he can really get some runs in because of which he has always been selected for India in the T20 squads. However, he's not a part of the T20 World Cup squad, but he still is the best batsman available for Rajasthan Royals. He's also their captain. So I think for the wicketkeeper, the right choice is to go with Sanju Samson for this one. The next up, we have KL Rahul. Of course, KL Rahul, you can't really ignore him. KL Rahul, he has had his issues in the past, but during the England tour, he really took it up a notch. He scored a beautiful century at Lords, and he and Rohit Sharma had a brilliant opening pair. India so much during the tour, and we expect him to continue his good form even in the second leg of the IPL as the captain of the Kings 11 Punjab. For this third batsman, we've got Mayank Agarwal. Definitely, Mayank Agarwal and KL Rahul have got a very good partnership going as openers. They have always been there to impact the games at the right time, but they have also been able to accommodate someone like Chris Gayle into the team. So there are batsmen who can bat in multiple positions. Both of them can bat in the middle order as well. So definitely Mayank Agarwal has to be there in this team. Moving on next, we've got Aiden Markram. This is a new signing for Kings 11 Punjab, and definitely we're not sure whether he's going to play or not, but he's a very skilled batsman, the South African. So we have included him in this team, hoping that he would play, and if he does, then we expect him to have a good impact for the Kings 11 Punjab in this game as well. And to sum up the batting, we've got Riyan Parag. Riyan Parag, he has had his off moments. He's been a bit inconsistent, but we all know the kind of talent he has. He is a very good domestic player in India, and we hope that he can somewhat show people that he can do it in the IPL as well. He's definitely shown us glimpses of it, but he's never been there to win a game for Rajasthan Royals on a lot of occasions. Hopefully, in the second leg, that can change because Rajasthan Royals will be counting on him a lot this season. Then for the game changer, we've got Chris Morris. Chris Morris, definitely hard to ignore. It was a heavy pick this season. A lot of money was spent for him. He's a good bowler, and at the same time, he can come in and hit a few big ones out of the park. He can really change the complexion of the game with both bat and ball. And at the same time, he's also a pretty good fielder. So he's going to be there in this team. Then we've got Deepak Hooda. Deepak Hooda has been a completely different player ever since he started playing for Kings 11 Punjab. He comes in around the middle order or sometimes in at 6 or 7, and he always has the capability of smashing the ball out of the park. He's a very skilled batsman, somewhat underrated according to me and our analysts, and that is why Deepak Hooda is gonna be your pick for this game because he's someone who can come in and change the game. He is also not that expensive, so it is good to have him in this team. And to sum it up, we've got Livingston. Definitely, we haven't seen much of him, but Livingston can have a really good impact for the Rajasthan Royals this season. At least that's what their fans will be expecting, and that's what we'll be expecting as well, since he's going to be in our team for this game. Moving on to the bowlers, we've got Chetan Sakaria. We all saw how good a series he had in Sri Lanka. He was able to pick up wickets at important intervals. He's a really skilled bowler. He bowls a lot of variations. He might not have the quickest of pace, but he still knows how to move the ball and beat the batsman or deceive them. So Chetan Sakaria will be an important aspect in this game, and he might be the one who ends up changing the game altogether. Then we've got Akashdeep Singh. He is a bowler who can swing the ball both ways, and he's going to be someone who's going to be opening the bowling for the Kings 11 Punjab. And let's just see how it goes. The Kings 11 Punjab hierarchy have put their trust in him, and we expect him to be a part of this game. And hopefully, he can, pick up some wickets and help us out as well. And to sum it up, we've got Ravi Bishnoi, the leg spinner from Kings 11 Punjab. Ravi Bishnoi is a really talented leg spinner. He has somewhat of an action like Shane Warne, but yeah, I mean, we expect this young lad to finally come up and prove his worth. He has done it on previous occasions. He can be a clumsy fielder at times, but we expect him to, brush it off and finally show us what he can be and hopefully play for India as well in the upcoming years. Moving on to a captain, I think it's a no-brainer. It's going to be KL Rahul. Even though that there is the likes of Sanju Samson, Mayank Agarwal, I don't think there's anyone more reliable than KL Rahul for this game, and which is why he's going to be a captain. And we'll certainly be hoping that it comes off and he gets us a lot of points in this game. And our vice captain is going to be Chris Morris because of a simple reason. He is an absolute game changer. The moment he comes on the pitch, you know that something is about to happen, and he is someone who can really tip the odds in the favor of Rajasthan Royals at any point during the game. So with that, this is going to be our Dream 11 team for this particular game. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope I was informative enough. We all would like to say that this team is subject to changes because we'll be recording this video a day before the game. So do follow us on Instagram for the latest updates and for the latest teams. The link is in description. And for more detailed blogs and analysis from our experts on Dream 11, please go visit our website www.thesportsway.in. The link is in the description. Until then, we'll see you.